Hey and welcome to Alpha. So I have now just had a live session where I trade binary option live. I will now give you the result, how I'm trading and all this good stuff. But before I get to that, I will give you some information, okay? First of all, if you did not see this live stream, probably you're not subscribed to my channel or you have forgot to turn the bell notification on. So do both of this because then you never lose a live stream from me, okay? And I do actually trade the same time every single day, so it's quite easy to come into my live stream. If you just come to one, you can just come the same time next day, okay? So do that. Also, to follow my trades is much more fun if you have the same broker like me. Anyone, wherever you are in the world, you can sign up for this broker. You find a link below the video. You can just start with the demo account. It's so much more fun to be in a part of my live stream. You can take the same trades like me and see if you manage to follow my trades. And if you see this is something you want to do, then you can just go in with real money and you can use the promo code also to get 200% on your first deposit. Then so make your first deposit count. But wait first, trade a little demo and see if you manage to follow, okay? Now, I will now show you how we did. And yes, one more time, push the like button. You help me so much just by pushing this like button. It's something that helps me to get more people to see my live streams, and more people I get, more fun it is to me to do these type of things, okay? Because I do it completely for free. I share all my trades every single day, and I'm never going to charge for that, okay? So now, let's take a look at the trades I have done today. You can see I have done 4 trades today. All winners. We did not lose one trade today, so we did very good. See here. So our profit did turn out to be $312. Then, with help of the cashback, because we get cashback on every single trade. So now when I push this button up here now, that will be added to our balance here now. So after will be 72,158 when I push around. Let's see, there you see, we got that into our balance. So when you put that into here, then we have $320. So that is pretty darn amazing. Now, how do I trade? What I do, you see here, for example, we are trading this green line here. That is a up button. I keep the same color scheme as how I'm trading. So if we have a trade line here, that will be green. And if I have a resistant line, this is a support line. If I have a resistant line, let's say we have it up there, then I will do like this. I will do like this. I will mark it there. Then when I have blue, I'm just waiting. That is more like so you can see where I'm thinking about trading. But let's say I wanted to trade here. Then I would say, okay, here's a strong area. I would then turn this one to red. And every time the bar comes up to this red line, we just push down. In normal pairs, then I keep to 1 minute. If you trade OTC, what you see here, then I keep that to 30 seconds, okay? So it's a little difference. But this is something is very easy to follow. Just join my live stream tomorrow and you will see how I trade. Or if you don't reach tomorrow, not to worry, I trade every single day, Monday to Friday, every single day. So you can join me in every live stream and I will do that forever, okay? So make sure you join me. Also, I will start to do a second live stream. I have not been so good to do the second one yet. Like today, there will not be a second live stream, but I'm planning to do one tomorrow. The one tomorrow will then use the broker number 2 before I below the video. So if you want to join me there, make sure you sign up for that broker also. You can just sign up demo for both of these 2 brokers. This is the 2 brokers I'm using to trade live. So if it's something you're interested about and you really want to trade a lot together with me, sign up for both of them. And then when you manage to follow or you want to do it right away, you can go in with real money. Both of them have a promo code 1. The second one have promo code included in the link. The one you see I'm using here now, you need to manually put the promo code, but you find it below the video. So with that, have an amazing day and I hope I see you in my next live stream.